What if the biggest financial shift of our lifetime is already happening quietly right in front of us? While most people are focused on stock market headlines and short-term price moves, something far more serious is building underneath the global financial system. Government debt is exploding. The US dollar is slowly losing strength, and gold is starting to send signals that usually appear before major monetary resets. This is not hype. This is history repeating itself. And if you miss these signals, you may miss the chance to protect your wealth before the next big move happens. Before we go deeper, if you want clear, no-noise analysis on gold, silver, and the real forces moving global markets, make sure you like this video and subscribe right now. This channel, Last Ounce Theory, exists to help you see what most investors only understand after it's too late. Let's start with the debt problem, because this is where everything begins. The United States is now adding trillions of dollars in debt faster than at any point in history, even without a major crisis. Interest payments alone are becoming one of the largest government expenses, and that means one thing. The system cannot survive higher interest rates for long. Every time rates go up, the debt becomes heavier, and every time rates come down, the currency weakens. There is no comfortable solution left, only delays. This is why the dollar's long-term strength is quietly eroding. On the surface, the dollar still looks dominant, but underneath, confidence is slowly changing. More countries are trading outside the dollar system, central banks are diversifying reserves, and global trust is no longer absolute. This doesn't mean the dollar collapses overnight, but it does mean its purchasing power continues to fade year after year, silently taxing anyone who holds cash or dollar-based savings. Now here's where gold enters the picture. Gold doesn't react to headlines, it reacts to trust. When confidence in governments, currencies, and debt systems weakens, gold doesn't need permission to move higher. Historically, gold performs best not during chaos, but during denial, when problems are growing and most people still believe everything is under control. That's exactly the environment we are in today. Central banks understand this better than anyone. While retail investors debate short-term price moves, central banks have been buying gold at near-record levels. They're not buying gold for profit, they're buying it for protection. This tells us something important. The institutions closest to the system see long-term risk, not stability. They are preparing quietly before the public narrative changes. A monetary reset doesn't always look like a dramatic crash. Sometimes it comes through inflation, sometimes through currency devaluation, and sometimes through new financial rules that slowly reshape how money works. In every version of that story, gold plays the same role it has played for thousands of years. It doesn't promise growth, it promises survival. It doesn't depend on policy decisions, and it doesn't need trust in any single government. What makes this moment different is timing. The debt is larger than ever, the margin for error is smaller than ever, and global cooperation is weaker than ever. That combination forces policymakers into choices that almost always benefit hard assets over paper promises. Gold doesn't need perfect conditions, it only needs uncertainty, and uncertainty is now baked into the system. For everyday investors, the mistake is waiting for confirmation from mainstream media. By the time a monetary reset is openly discussed, gold will no longer be cheap, and protection will no longer be optional. History shows that wealth is preserved by those who prepare early, not those who react late. If this perspective makes sense to you, let me know in the comments what you think happens first. Higher inflation, currency devaluation, or a new global monetary framework. Your thoughts matter here, and they help this community grow stronger. And if you believe this information can help someone protect their future, share this video with them. Sometimes one shared idea is worth more than years of regret. This is Last Ounce Theory, where we focus on what really matters when the system starts to shift. Stay alert, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.